Compared to other Stryker models, SR-94HPC 10-meter band radio has a low output power between 4 watts and a high of 40 watts. Being a 10-meter band radio, FCC identifies it as ham radio. On average, this radio can cover slightly more than 20 miles. The radio is designed to take in both 12 volts and 24 volts. This gives you 2 powering options. The versatility makes the radio efficient, as you don't always have to rely on only one way of powering the radio. If one fails or isn't available, you have the choice of trying another one. Alternatively, you can go with what gives you the best results. SR-94HPC 10-meter amateur radio is one of the best Stryker models with a wide operating temperature range. This implies that the radio will perform optimally for as long as the environmental temperature falls within the range. Like the other models, it is easy to operate. Once you're done with the installation, the rest is a walk in the park. To make this happen, the radio features a multicolored channel and frequency display. Each has up to 7 color options to consider. Besides, it's pretty simple to set the channel and frequency display to your preference. With the click of a well-labeled button, you can get this done on the fly. Moreover, it has backlit keys for easy operation of the radio even when in the dark. And since it is PC programmable, all you need is a personal computer and programming software to customize the radio settings. The good news is that the programming software is available for free on the manufacturer's website. SR-94HPC features dual channel watch function. Therefore, you can always keep track of 2 of your favorite channels simultaneously. You will find it helpful as you don't have to switch from one channel to another. This enhances convenience. Overall, if you're looking for a radio with a wide working temperature range, then you may need to consider this one. Also, it is a good fit if you want a radio with quick and instant access to some channels. It is a small radio, yet super powerful, and offers great value for the money invested. It has an aesthetic appeal, and you'll love having conversations on this radio. Nevertheless, you're likely to experience 1 or 2 issues from operating the radio. Sometimes the display screen unexpectedly goes blank, making it hard to see what's on display. Sadly, this will happen frequently, at least after a few days or hours. Unfortunately, even switching the radio off can't fix the problem, but you can disconnect it from the power source, after which it goes back to normal working. So if you're not ready for this hassle, we'd recommend you consider a different radio. So what do you think? Is this the best mobile ham radio for you? Or do you think another radio is better? Check another video where we reviewed the best 3 mobile ham radios and see if any of these is a better option for you. Tell us in the comments which you like the most. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Have an awesome day.